The morning T-bird eats grubs and worms. It's a bit of an omnivore. It also eats little black beans from some sort of berry thing, don't know what. It's about 9:45 in the morning. This bird calls at 10 o'clock every day. They respond well to mimicry, so I might give it a go and see if we can get one to come out. Hey! Hey! There's one. It's only been like half a minute, and they're already out, and it's 10 o'clock. So spot on, good on them. I'll see if I can get some video. It might be a bit tricky. I don't know if you can actually see that. There's a bit of a blue thing over there. That's the bird we're after. Now, I can see it just past this fallen tree. It's actually a good hide, this. I got it. There we go. And we'll keep it. We'll take it up to the car. Lots of people think it's called the morning T-bird because it calls at 10 o'clock and its call is like tea. Tea! But actually, I'll show you another reason. So here's the bird. It's quite stunned. And if you just get the head right, give it a few taps, and you can unscrew it. Now, some people drink straight from the bird, but I prefer a more civilized approach and use a cup. It's a fairly warm-blooded bird. It's not 80 degrees, but it's pretty good if you're out in the bush and you need a coffee.